Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the wonderful world of lavender. From its incredible benefits to its uses in aromatherapy and beyond, lavender is a versatile and beloved herb that has been used for centuries. Lavender is a fragrant and beautiful flowering plant that is native to the Mediterranean region, but is now widely grown all over the world. The plant produces delicate purple or blue flowers that emit a calming and soothing scent. This scent is what makes lavender so popular in aromatherapy, as it has been known to promote relaxation and reduce stress. One of the most popular ways to use lavender is in essential oil form. This oil can be used for a variety of purposes, including massage, diffusing in the air, and adding to bath water. The scent of lavender has been shown to reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and even help with headaches. In addition to its aromatherapy benefits, lavender also has a number of other health benefits. It has antiseptic properties and can be used to soothe burns and insect bites. It is also a natural remedy for anxiety and depression, as it is believed to have a calming effect on the mind and body. Lavender can also be used in cooking, adding a subtle and unique flavor to a variety of dishes. Try adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to your favorite baked goods or savory dishes for a touch of flavor and aroma. Lavender is a versatile and easy-to-grow plant that can be incorporated into your garden or even grown in a pot on a windowsill. Its beautiful flowers and fragrant scent make it a popular choice for gardens, and it is also a popular choice for use in dried arrangements or wreaths. In conclusion, lavender is a wonderful herb that has a wide range of uses and benefits. Whether you are looking to reduce stress and anxiety, soothe burns and insect bites, or add flavor to your cooking, lavender is a great choice. So why not give it a try and see how it can enhance your life? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the amazing benefits of herbs and aromatherapy.